Hey, welcome back. Tonight we're following Jake, a 30-year-old who thought he finally did everything right and still managed to wipe out 50 grand in just 30 days. Jake isn't stupid. He's a decent software guy, saves more than most of his friends, and finally stacked up $50,000 in cash after years of saying no to stuff. But the month everything changed, he moved all $50,000 into a trading app because everyone online was screaming that this was the one shot. These are the 5 dumb mistakes that erased it in just 30 days. Mistake number 1. Jake treated internet hype like a plan. On day 1, he shoved almost the entire $50,000 into one coin that a YouTuber called the next big thing. For a week, it actually worked. His account jumped from 50 to 58,000, and instead of taking anything off the table, he decided the new him only plays big. Mistake number 2. If normal risk is good, Jake thought leverage must be better. So he borrowed extra buying power to speed things up. When the price finally turned, that leverage didn't just speed up his gains, it doubled his losses overnight. Mistake 3. Instead of slowing down, Jake started buying VIP signal groups and private chats, convinced that somebody else knew the shortcut he didn't. He stopped asking, "Does this make sense for me?" and just copied every alert. The more his balance dropped, the more he chased the next call. Mistake 4. Jake hated being wrong more than he hated losing money. So instead of taking small, boring losses, he kept moving his line deeper into the red. By week 3, his account wasn't asking politely anymore. He got the margin call message. Either wire in more cash or they'd start closing positions for him. Mistake 5 was the one that finished the job. Instead of stopping, Jake raided his emergency savings to win it all back in one last play. 30 days after that first transfer, Jake refreshed the app and his big shot account showed a number he'd never seen before. 0 point something. And then, basically nothing. So here's how 50 grand dies in a month. Going all in on hype, adding leverage, copying experts with no plan, refusing small losses, and gambling the safety net to chase it all back. You've been watching Wealth Crash and Rise, where we don't glamorize the win, we break down the wipeout. If you made it this far, drop "I'm not Jake" in the comments, and tell me which mistake you've seen up close.